Hey, it's Linda, and today we're going to be showing you 3 things we love about the Bosch Series 2 dishwasher. You can control it with your phone using the Home Connect app. It makes sure your dishes are ready to be put away with extra dry, and it's quiet without compromise thanks to Eco Silence. I'm going to head over to the lab now to show you these in a bit more detail. You can use your phone to manage your dishwasher. So if you're not at home, or perhaps you just don't want to pause what you're watching to get up off the sofa, you can use the Home Connect app to do it. It just makes everything so much easier as you're able to adjust settings. It recommends the best cycles for each load, and it lets you add your favorite programs to the quick selection options. It really just takes away the hassle when it comes to doing the dishes. It gives you the option to have your dishes ready to put away, even the plastic ones, instead of you having to give them an extra wipe down using a tea towel. When you choose the extra dry function, it increases temperatures and extends the drying phase, so you get extra thorough drying. You get a high performance at a lower noise level thanks to the Eco Silence, so your home stays quiet even when the cycle is running. The motor is designed to keep friction noise to a minimum. To find out more about this Bosch dishwasher, visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.